we blowing smoke, she asked me light a fire like a Marsan. Ay. Act a fool on stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car.